Obram was founded in 1976 as a dairy equipment research and development centre. At present, it is a commercial company with 100% Polish capital. Over 30 years' experience in engineering and manufacturing equipment, as well as project management, allows the effective realisation of complex investment projects in the field of modernisation and development of processing technology for complete food industry plants. The company specialises in producing equipment for the dairy industry, as well as the distillery, brewing, chemical and pharmaceutical industries. Obram employs over 250 people, including more than 100 engineers, specialists in the following branches: food technology, designers of technological processes; construction and design, designers of machines and equipment; industrial automation, designers of computer systems for production control, together with a system for control of critical points in manufacturing processes, the registration of parameters and visualization; manufacturing technology, preparation and supervision of the equipment production service. Obram is already operating in many markets including Poland, Russia, Belarus, Ukraine, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Romania, and India. The company started operating in this market with great success, manufacturing fully automatic plant for local cheese, paneer. The most recent market is Canada. Here is a list of some of Obram's clients. Production facilities are localized into factories in Olsztyn and in Ostrów Mazowieckie, which occupies 6,000 square meters in total. The company is equipped in modern machinery necessary for manufacturing cutting-edge equipment. This includes laser cutting systems, CNC centers, automatic plasma welding units, and surface treatment units, and so forth. Experienced and skilled employees guarantees the manufacturing of equipment with the utmost care, which also ensures an internal quality control system. Obram solutions use components only from reputable companies worldwide. The flagship Obram products are automatic production lines for different types of cheeses: hard, semi-hard, fresh, cottage cheese, as well as complete solutions for the production of fermented beverages. The company also manufactures all necessary equipment like storage and process tanks, pasteurizers, CIP systems, membrane filtration systems, and so forth. Automatic cheese lines manufactured by Obram are designed for production of various types and kinds of ripening cheeses: hard, like Gruyere and Emmentaler; semi-hard, like Dutch, Swiss and Tilsit; and also semi-soft. The line size and composition may vary and depend on the market demand, ranging from several thousand to 1 million litres of milk processed per day. Cheese lines use closed transportation system ideology, involving individual pressing of each cheese. To operate such a line, only 2 people are needed. A pre-press vat receives curd, drained off whey, pre-presses protein mass, and cuts cheese into portions. The pressure on the mass block is adjustable. All the vat functions, including cheese portioning and loading into molds, are carried out automatically and controlled by PLC. The device consists of a vertical column in which curd moves. The system of valves gradually drains off the whey, maintaining the whey level above the cheese mass block. This condition is necessary in the production of cheese, with eyes typical for Dutch-type cheeses. The bottom part of the column is equipped with a system for cutting off the shaped cheese blocks, which are then put into the waiting molds. Unlike the moulding columns for Dutch-type cheeses, the construction of these columns ensures the whey draining in the first stage of the process in order to provide good contact with air. The whey draining off rate depends on the type of cheese being produced. Moulding columns also work together with a conveyor for feeding empty moulds and collecting ones with cheese. The process of final cheese pressing is carried out in tunnel-shaped presses, whose structure is adapted to the mould size and the configuration of the cheese-making line. Presses may be single or multi-level, open or closed type, using forced pressing or cheese self-pressing. This force and duration in various phases of the process are adjustable. Cheese brining may be done in various manners, in a rack type, in a river type, or in a mixed system. Each of these systems consist of similar elements. The difference is just the way the technological functions are performed. Microfiltration unit improves the microbiological quality of brine. It decontaminates and restores the brine's original form. Obram also provides systems for cheese ripening. Another flagship product is automatic line for fresh cheese production. Equipment might be used for several types of cheese production: Tvarog, popular in Eastern Europe, Indian paneer, Kashkaval, or mozzarella. Following thermal treatment, normalized milk is pumped to coagulation vats at the temperature of inoculation. Addition of the starter initiates the process of fermentation in the coagulation vat. The resulting curd undergoes thermal treatment and is evenly and gently stirred. Subsequently, part of the whey is separated, and the curd thus produced is transported to the moulding and pressing device, where it is moulded to achieve the shape and the size requested by the customer. Portions of fresh white cheese are put into moulds and finally pressed. Following the pressing phase, multi-moulds are emptied and transported to the cleaning station, while the cheese is packed and cooled down in a flow-through or transported to the cooling chamber. Depending on the customer's needs, Obram offers coagulation vats with two working volumes, 6,000 and 10,000 litres. Owing to the process automation and the vat's horizontal shape, it is possible to achieve high-quality curd mass with minimal protein loss. An integral part of the system is a belt whey separator, which separates whey from curd mass. The column-shaped perforated inserts of this device are responsible for its pre-pressing and for shaping curd mass appropriately. The prepared mass is then cut into portions and placed in multi-moulds. Obram has designed original multi-moulds with a monolithic plastic structure, and depending on the cheese shape, 20 to 40 cheese portions can be pressed into them, with a total weight of about 10 kilograms. The shape of cheese portions depends largely on the customer's needs. The advantages of Obram's automatic fresh cheese production line are fresh cheese production process, from milk preparation to cooling down, are all automatic, with no human contact. Each stage of the technological process is supervised and archived by the central automatic control system. It is possible to produce fresh cheese in any shape. It is possible to produce fresh cheese with equalized mass. The possibility to adjust fresh white cheese unit mass, and CIP system device cleaning. Another predominant Obram product is automatic cottage cheese production line. This consists of the following equipment: pasteurizing systems, coagulation vat, whey draining belt, rinsing cooling tower, water drainer, and creamer. The coagulation vat is a horizontal closed processing tank used in the production of cottage cheese grains. It offers a pneumatic lifting system with which the vat can be easily emptied. Inside the vat there are mixers and harps for mixing and cutting the curd. The vat is also equipped with a whey draining system. The whey draining belt consists of a drip chamber, a draining belt system with a drive, a belt positioning system, and a buffer tank for the separated curd. The buffer tank is equipped with nozzles to enable the addition of process water to the curd, which is to be pumped to the rinsing tower. Inside the rinsing cooling tower, small amounts of whey are hydrodynamically separated from the curd with technological water, and the curd is cooled down before its final creaming. The creamer is a process tank used for mixing the curd with cream. The construction and fittings of the creamer permit the following technological operations: mixing the curd with cream using specialized mixers, curd storage, measuring the weight of curd and cream, and curd cooling. Obram also manufactures all the other equipment necessary for dairy plants, like storage tanks, fermenters, pasteurizers, CIP systems, and more. A very important department within Obram is automation, which is responsible for process automation as well as automatic control systems. The automatic control system is based on PLC controllers integrated with computer software. Obram uses PLC controls from various companies like Siemens, Allen Bradley, Schneider Electric, and Miller. With the panels, the operator can observe the process at each stage, follow the important technological parameters, modify recipes, and handle emergency situations. A very important role in the production supervision is played by the central system of data visualization and archiving. Particular stages of the technological process are presented on a screen as separate synoptic screens. The visualization system is also equipped with an advanced reporting system. Clear tables present production data, cleaning processes, and so on. The reporting system is a valuable source of information necessary to optimize the production process. The control system may be equipped with a remote servicing system, which enables immediate service assistance provided over the internet. The possibility of making data available to other information systems enables integration, for example, with the production management systems or the quality management systems. Obram creates turnkey projects taking full responsibility for delivery, installation, integration, startup, and service of all equipment. For further information, please visit www.obram.com.